I also have a dark side.
May insulto ako.
Uy! Dark side? Physically. Hindi, I mean, lahat naman tayo, we all have our dark sides. Yung light side and the dark side. So, ako meron pa rin, well, all of us. It's just that I'm very vocal with it.
Okay. Okay, follow.
How was the whole experience shooting the movie, and kung pwede nyo i-share, ano yung mga favorite scenes na na-shoot nyo dun sa movie?
Spoiler!
Teka lang.
Hindi, ano lang, kahit bit lang nung...
Nagpapaalam.
Basta sobrang nag-enjoy kami while shooting the film. As in, nahirapan kaming lahat dahil nga yung mga struggles with like sa weather, ganyan. Pero sobrang nag-enjoy talaga kami. And sobrang bagong experience natin sa mundo. I think favorite scene ko,
Sorry pa, we need to consult muna.
yung isa sa mga favorite scenes ko, papakita mamaya. Basta yung mga light scenes, yun yung favorite ko. Kasi, dun lang yung kaya ko. Yung sa heavy scenes, wag na naman.
Hindi kasi, basically yung light scenes po kasi parang hindi na po kaming maarte.
Totoo. Sobrang natural po sa akin.
Parang yung action po, yun na lang yun to be ourselves.
Pero yung mga favorite,
What was your favorite part of the story?
I love that too.
I like that part. My favorite part.
Hindi ang favorite ko.
Masarap ng tawa niya.
Hindi ko namin yung nakakaaliw na parts na kaya sigurado po akong mag-enjoy
Kasi
po
pag sinabi na po
July
natin, spoiler
13.
na eh.
Spoiler na.
Kaya pinag-salt ko muna yun.
May isa ako, yung umere na restaurant scene. Yung nagpapaturo si Alden kung paano mag-Italia. The story about that scene is, I set up the 2 cameras and then I just let it roll. Bahala na hanggang maubos lang talaga. Kasi meron nga silang lines, pero I think 80% of that is ad-lib. So, that is where you see the chemistry of an Alden and a Maine. Hindi mo kailangan scripted lahat. I just let them play and then doon mo makikita yung mga nuances, you can't direct that. Mga happy accidents.
Gusto mo ng trip?
Yung scene na po yun sa restaurant, ginawa po namin ni Alden na may tampuhan po kami.
Actually.
Hindi po kami nagpapansinan before
Before the take.
Opo. So, nung nag-roll na, saka ako, Alden.
Ang hirap eh.
Mahirap. Actually, mahirap direct. Mahirap magtrabaho lang hindi kami okay.
What was the reason?
Wag na.
Personal na po yun. Pero mga maliliit na tampuhan lang kasi madalas po napapalaki namin.
Doon kami nagkaroon ng deal na hindi namin papahabain yung mga tampuhan.
Oo, di ba?
Oo. Nakakainis. So yun. And kasi actually ko, kahit naman po siguro kaninong love team, pag ganun talagang tampuhan in terms of sa work, mahirap pong bumilos. Mahirap gawing I don't know if you noticed that. It's really hard to fake it if something is wrong.
Okay, so, sir?
Hello, sir. Hi, Direk.
Teka, bigyan mo muna siya ng chance mag-recover.
Oh my God.
Sorry. 2 days pa.
Siguro kay Direk po muna.
Yes.
Direk, making this film is probably like the biggest challenge of all. Kasi you actually have a lot of equipment also. Paano nyo sinurse yun? Did you also use like an Italian crew to shoot? Paano yung coordination nyo with them? And did you also bring people from the Philippines to actually go there?
Yeah, yung tinatawag namin Team Italia, the group that went there was just 24 people here. Which is a big enough crew. I was very thankful sa mga producers natin na nag-invest talaga sila. Pero 24 people is very few to make a movie.
Yes.
If you're in the Philippines, mahina ang 150 with all the crew and everything. So, kailangan talaga namin ng tulong sa Italy. So, we actually got an Italian crew to help us. So, it was half half Pinoy, half Italian na crew. If you guys saw the primer yesterday, doon, pinakilala namin most of the crew. Pero yung mga ano talaga, yung mga syempre yung mga sobrang importanteng mga trabaho like director of photography and production designer, yun mga Pinoy lahat yun. Tapos the crew were mainly yung manual, you know, like grips, gaffers, yung mga ganun. The only, ano naman sila, marunong naman sila mag-English, okay naman. Noong una lang, hindi nila, totoo to, hindi talaga nila, wala silang idea how big Aldab was. Kaya nung sa pagdating lang nitong dalawang to sa airport, sobrang nagkagulo na. Doon lang nila na-realize. Sinabi nila sa amin. Because, and then the fact that a group of fans would always follow us every single location. For the whole time we were in Italy, every single location, nahanap kami. Yun na nga, sinabi nila, they worked on Ocean's 12 with George Clooney, Brad Pitt, Matt Damon. They worked on The Tourist with Angelina Jolie, and that never happened.
Wow.
That never happened with Hollywood stars. Kasi joke namin palagi is daan muna tayo sa villa ni George Clooney, gano'n. Tapos ang sinasabi, well, George Clooney was never followed around like Aldab. It's true. Pumunta kami na, hindi ko pwede sabihin mo saan tayo pumunta. We went to another city in Italy. Yung medyo okay, we went to Verona. Okay? So we went to Verona, which is 3.5 hours away. So when we went to Verona, nag-stop kami sa isang gas station. We were 6 big vans. Tapos sunod-sunod kami nag-park, baba kaming lahat. If you wanna buy drinks or whatever. Pag-park namin lahat, tuloy-tuloy may mga nagpo-park at tabi namin. Yun yung mga Pinoy na fans. Kasama kami all the way. They went all the way to Verona, they went all the way back. Talagang kahit, and they've never seen that. Not even Hollywood stars have that kind of following.
Meron pa from the US direct, travel.
Meron